Hello everyone. So hopefully you all are doing fine, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss now about control flow. So what exactly is control flow? So we will learn a sequence of things in the next tutorials, but first let us study a bit in short what is control flow. So in JavaScript, when a script is executed, any sort of script, everything is read from line 1 to the number of lines we write script. So it reads line by line, and you know that JavaScript it's compiled on the fly with the help of JIT compiler. So it executes line by line from top to bottom, but we can control the flow of information, and that is called control flow. Okay, so there are many things. We will use loops, if-else conditions. We can control what information we want. Okay, so right now, for the record, just let me in short explain you. Suppose in array there are 4 fruits, okay, and you want to print 2 fruits, okay. Or maybe in your database there will be an array of objects. If you're connecting data through an API, you want that there will be a display of like 2 fruits per page, something like this. So you can control that, and there are many other things. If you want that, you can get output the way you want, so you can have a bit of control over what scripts are executed, and there might be some things you don't want to run. So like when you click a button, it perhaps says if your status is successful, then it will give you a message the status is successful. And maybe if you're clicking a status on Facebook or Twitter, or you're tweeting something and it goes wrong, then it will say that there is something wrong. So but you need to code these conditions. These will not come automatically. There might be another example that if you enter your result, then it might give you a grade. Like if you enter 80, then it might say you get an A+, and if you enter 60, it might say you get a C. So in this way, the control flow is, we can control the flow of a script when it's executed. So based on the information we want, we can control the flow of information. So I hope that in the next tutorials, while explaining things like loop, for loop, things will be very much clear. So that's very much it for now, and in the next tutorial we'll talk about loops. So that's very much it.